attorney, I mean, I watched your video. Tinawag mo kong bobo, syunga.
Yeah.
Ano mo sinabi?
Oh.
Could that be libelous? Depends. But, you know, for me, I've always believed that we both have the freedom to express ourselves, and I'm okay with it. I'm really okay na ginawa mo yun. That's why I didn't mind going on a debate with you, because para sa akin, that is your right as a citizen to express your thoughts on me. Kung naniniwala ka na ganun ako, I'm okay with it. And that is fundamental to basic human rights.
Yeah,
and
pero
the
ito
Constitution.
ang sasabihin ko sa iyo. I called you bobo and chunga in relation to what you were saying. And not because of you as a person.
Then, yeah, if
Bobo,
sige,
ikaw, maniniwala
like
ka ba sa akin? Okay.
No.
Okay, sandali, listen to me. Kasi ako naman yung, it's my turn, di ba?
Okay.
Oh, pag sinabi kong bobo ka sa batas, will you disagree with me?
Yes.
Oh.
So,
tapos
okay.
ang usapan.
Can I
Okay,
so hindi mo sinabi kasi
last one, go for it.
Okay. Ito na lang. Hindi mo kasi sinabi na bobo ako sa batas eh. Sinabi mo bobo ako.
Well, ano ba pinag-uusapan natin yung video mo?
Yeah, sure. Because
do I have any
kasi,
alam ko ba kung magaling kang magluto? Alam ko ba kung magaling ka sa math? Wala akong idea doon.
Hindi mo alam. Kaya
pero alam ko na bobo ka sa
Yes.
batas.
Attorney. Ano lang, sa akin simple. Sinabi mo kasi that you're just saying bobo yung sinabi ko, hindi ako. Yun ang sinabi, di ba?
Correct.
Pero if you watch your video, sinabi mo syunga ka, bobo ka.
Yes.
Yun. So, you contradicted yourself
I'm
because
not
you said na hindi mo
contradicting
sinabi
myself.
yun. Sinabi mo na bobo yung sinabi ko, pero ngayon, yun ang sinabi mo ngayon. Pero in reality, sinabi mo ako yung bobo.
Ano ba ang
And what I'm
basis
saying
ko?
is,
Okay. Ano ba ang basis ko kung bakit kita sinabing bobo? Math ba?
Hindi. Ang
Hindi, di ba?
point ko
Crypto
lang
ba?
is,
Crypto ba?
Hindi.
Gentlemen, please. Both of you guys are actually spending more time on ad hominems right now. We're not on the topic anymore. So could we please try to get back on the topic? Sorry for that, for intervening. I know you guys are having fun, but I think we're going far from the topic.